What's going on, guys? I'm here in Laredo, Texas in this crazy storm. I know you can hear it, man. I finally got a load. I've been sitting all morning. I got a load that's headed with a two-stop. The first drop is going to North Cross, Georgia, and my second stop is going to Florida. So let's see how this goes in this crazy storm. And the crazy thing is, the dispatcher called me at 3:15 saying that he got the load and it's supposed to pick up at 6:45. And it takes about 3 hours to get there. So I pretty much told him, like, hey, I can get there when I get there. But what I'm not gonna do is, I'm not about to be rushing out here and fuck around getting in an accident, or, you know, it's unsafe right now. It's not safe at all right now. And the roads are flooded. So I'm taking my time getting there. And I will get there when I get there. And this message is for my new truckers, man. When you out there, don't let these dispatchers force you in doing things that you don't feel safe in. If you know it's not really safe and you have to take your time to get there, take your time, bro. Because guess what? At the end of the day, if you get in an accident out here, that's gonna be your CDL. Guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna find more drivers to continue taking that load or taking a load in the same truck you got in an accident in, while you at home calling up companies trying to figure out what's your next move. So always be safe, and safety first, and make sure your CDL is in good standing, bro, because at the end of the day, that's your CDL. Wow, look at that accident. What's going on, guys? I just got here to the house, man. It's pretty much 2:18 in the morning. I actually picked up the load in Texas. The lady won't tripping no more. When I got there, they let me pick the load up. So since I'm going to Georgia, I decided to come by the house, and morning, afternoon, I'm gonna wake up and we're gonna get this load up. Let's go, man. I'm about to get some sleep, though. What's going on, guys? I just left the house. The time is now 12:31 p.m. I had a lot of things to do real quick, get the kids situated. So now I'm headed to Georgia. Right now, I'm in traffic in Houston. You guys know how that is. So what's going on, guys? Quick update. I've been sitting here about an hour and 45 minutes. I'm waiting on the tow man to come pick me up. We got to go to Mobile, Alabama. I'm gonna get a hotel, and we have to get the truck fixed tomorrow. Well, y'all, he's here. Let's get to the hotel, man, and see what we come up with tomorrow. We at a tow yard, man. The hotel is right across the street though, so it's all a part of trucking, man. You can start out with a good day and it can end like this. Guys, so I'm here at the hotel. Woke up this morning, my dispatcher called me. He's like, hey man, we pretty much got two options for you. What do you want to do? We have a Walmart dedicated driver that can come pick you up. Remind y'all, I'm in Alabama. So he like, we got this Walmart dedicated driver that can come pick you up. Just got to drop him off in Pensacola. And then you can continue taking your load to Norcross, Georgia, and you'll drop in Florida. I'm like, for real, I'm half asleep. I really didn't want to do it. I'm like, bro, what's going on, bro? Then he was like, or you can sit here and wait for a week. I'm like, bro, you already know what I'm about to do, bro. I'm not about to sit at this hotel for no week. You can't make no money sitting down. I do know that for a fact. So now I'm waiting on the driver to pretty much come pick me up. Just got out of the shower. Waiting on the driver to come pick me up. And we're gonna go from there. This is getting crazy. But the story on how the truck broke down is pretty wild because I went to a Love's truck stop. The truck had no signs of it wanting to shut down. Like, it was running pretty good. I got from Houston to Alabama, no problem, bro. And I was just on the highway and then all I started feeling is hesitation, and then boom, the truck was just, the speed, it just stopped losing. I couldn't go. So I just had to pull off to the shoulder of the road and stop. But it did say something about the electrical system. It was having some problems with the electrical system. And then I also looked up, it said something about the air brakes. So I don't know, bro. I'm not a mechanic. But honestly, this is all part of trucking, you guys. So you guys who out there who's thinking about getting in trucking, you're gonna have days where it seems like everything could be going right and it can go from good to bad, or it could be going worse and get even fucking more crazy. So these things are part of trucking. You ever be in trucking, for the guys who know about it, you could be in trucking, you can start off with a great day and then some crazy shit happen towards the end of your day. Like, that's crazy, bro. That's trucking for you, man. Like, I was not expecting to be sitting here in a hotel telling you guys about my breakdown. That wasn't part of the plan. But hey, it's trucking. I know that what comes with it. So, hey man, I'm just happy to be able to share that with you guys. What's going on, guys? So you can see I'm in the temp truck right here. I just dropped Buddy off at another truck. I think it's probably gonna be my permanent truck now. I have a good feeling that that's what's gonna happen. I think it's gonna take my truck a lot to get fixed, so I don't think it's gonna be ready no time soon. So I'm about to head back, go get the load, and finish dropping this load off. Oh, I'm almost there, man. 3.5 miles away, bro. This has been a journey, man. This has been a journey. And I can't wait to get this off my trailer. Hey! Yep. It is a wrap. It is a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I am pretty much here. About to go in, see if I can get unloaded. I was told that I could, so let's see. Let's see what this shit about. Man, I'm so happy to be here at this point. I just want to go home. You feel me? But after I get unloaded here, we're on our way to Florida. Bad news, y'all. Fuck, man. Ah! We can't get unloaded until 5 o'clock a.m. Some bullshit. So that's what I mean. Why would a dispatcher tell me to come all the way here, that they was gonna unload me, and I get here and the lady say, oh, he left at 4. They're not gonna be back until 5 o'clock in the morning. What? That's the shit you go through in trucking, bro. Dispatcher tell you one thing just to get you here, and these motherfuckers on another thing. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Give y'all a little update. I delivered this load to Georgia this morning. I couldn't deliver it yesterday. It's kind of fucked up because the dispatcher told me that it was going to be open 24 hours that I can get unloaded. Come to find out, I get there around 6 or 7. They tell me I cannot get unloaded. So I had to get unloaded this morning. So I'm on the way to Florida. This is the last drop. And I really get this shit off my trailer, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's been a long journey. Down to the Laredo, Texas. Me going home. Me on the way to Georgia. Everything going good. And you guys seen how, boom, I had a breakdown out of no fucking where. 2, having to get someone else's truck. Come to find out this is gonna be my permanent truck now. 2 now, man, just couldn't get unloaded yesterday. Had to get unloaded this morning. And come to find out with this load right here, I can't get unloaded right now. Today neither. I have to wait in the morning. So that breakdown pretty much pushed everything out. Pushed everything out another day. Which is fucked up because today is Friday and I can't get unloaded until Saturday. So hopefully I can find a fucking load. But yeah, man, I thank you guys for rocking with me, bro. We're gonna get this load there and we're gonna keep pushing on to the next. So what's going on, man? I'm only about 20 miles away from the drop. So I pretty much made the load, man. I have to drop in the morning. So this video to let you see, man, trucking can be up and down. Sometimes it seems like you're gonna have a good day, you're gonna have a good week. You can see how it can go, man. It can go either way, bro. But you gotta love it. It's trucking, and everything you just seen, bro. It's part of the game. It's part of the trucking game. We go through this all the time. So, yeah, man. So if you think about getting in trucking, man, just know that every day ain't gonna be perfect. You're gonna have days, ups and downs. It's gonna look like you're gonna have a great day, then boom, something can happen and you get broke down or you're in an accident, whatever. It's trucking, bro. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. All I need y'all to do is subscribe to your boy at Taylor Harris Podcast. Thank y'all for watching. Hey!